Today I'm going to show you how to edit the Divi global footer. So if you're in a website here and you see the bottom section of your site, usually a logo, your copyright information, your information about your business with other quick links to pages, or just your location and address. So to change that, you'll come into Divi or WordPress, you log into your website first, and then go down on the left-hand side where it says Divi. You'll roll over to Divi Theme Builder, and you'll find the global footer here. You can click on the pencil icon, and that'll load up. You can also do it from the front end side if you're viewing the page, and then you click on Enable Visual Builder, and then when you roll down, you'll see if you see any green boxes like this, you can actually edit them. And if they're green, that just means it's a global, so it means it'll change it throughout the whole website. So to change anything in here, you would then just come in like you would on any Divi Visual Builder. You just edit the sections by clicking the gear icon in the gray to change out text. Or if you change out an image, you would do the same thing, hit the gear icon. You can also change the different sections of the column layout by clicking this spot here, and you can arrange it differently. Real quick, if you want to hide a section before you're ready to make it public live on the site, you can go to Advanced Visibility, and then you just check Disabled on Phone, Tablet, and Desktop. And when you're ready to enable it, you just would uncheck it, and then go down to the bottom here in the purple dots, and then on the bottom right-hand side where it says Save in the green. And once you hit Save there or Publish, it'll make it live to your website. Hopefully that was helpful. Like the videos below if you like this. We'll keep making content like this, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.